The term Sayyid means someone who is a direct descendant of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So for example, I'm the 41st descendant of the Prophet. If you go back 41 generations, I go back to the Prophet. So all Sayyids, and there are millions of Sayyids around the world, the term means that their ancestry goes back to the Prophet through his daughter Fatima alayhi salam, because the Prophet did not have any sons, through his daughter Fatima and Imam Ali alayhi salam. So this is the meaning of a Sayyid. A Sayyid doesn't have to wear the black turban that I'm wearing. Yes, if a Sayyid is also a scholar, they will wear the black turban, but most Sayyids don't wear the black turban. So a Sayyid is anyone who traces his ancestry back to the Prophet. An Imam, what does an Imam mean? Linguistically, in the Arabic language, Imam means leader. It could be a good leader, it could be a bad leader, any leader. Any person whom people follow is considered an Imam. And that's why you'll see in the Quran, Allah has used the word Imam to refer to the prophets. For example, وَجَعَلْنَا مِنْهُمْ أَئِمَّةً يَهْدُونَ بِأَمْرِنَا. We made them Imams, leaders, who guide to our path. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has also used the term to describe evil leaders, like the Pharaoh and these others. They were also Imams in the linguistic term, because they were leaders who were followed. Hitler was an Imam in the sense that the Nazis followed him. He was their leader. The Quran says some Imams, the good ones, we take them to paradise, and then there are Imams who call their people to go to hell. That's the linguistic meaning. Then we have a religious meaning to the term. And we also have two meanings here. One meaning is the general meaning of Imam, which applies to a prayer leader or a religious leader. So anyone who stands in prayer and leads the prayer is called Imam, Imam al-Jama'ah, the leader of the congregational prayer. That's the general meaning of the term. Or there is someone who is a leader of a community, a scholar who is the leader of a community. He is considered an Imam. And then we have the specific meaning of the word Imam. The specific meaning of the word Imam are those individuals who are appointed directly by God to lead humanity. For example, the Quran considers Prophet Abraham, even though he was a prophet, إِنِّي جَاعِلُكَ لِلنَّاسِ إِمَامًا. After passing his test and becoming the prophet of God, God gave him a higher status of being a universal leader, Imam. God appointed him. And the Imams of Ahlul Bayt, we believe that there are 12 godly appointed, divinely appointed Imams after the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. 12 Imams. The first of them being Imam Ali, peace be upon him, and the last of them being Imam al-Mahdi, peace be upon him. Ajjalallahu ta'ala farajah. So this is the specific meaning of the word Imam. Godly appointed leaders whom He appointed for humanity.